Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right. Chris here at InterTrade, bringing you 4 areas that I'm watching in the markets as I trade and why. These are going to be coming at you off of crude oil. Now let's start off going 3 lines down, which is very close to where price is currently trading at 72.70. Around this location, I'm going to keep my eyes on it because if we fall below it and maintain trading activity below it, I'm going to take that as a bearish sign. Now, even farther down the charts below that, we have an even bigger check mark, which will occur around 70.2 in my view. If we fall and begin trading below 70.2, that's an even bigger bearish trigger for me. And going backwards, back above where price is trading currently at 73.9, that's a small bullish trigger. And above it even further, I have a bigger bullish trigger at 76.10. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.